up, online shoppers? I just got this brand new box of Sports Research electrolyte packets. And this one here is a flavor that I am so excited to try. Now take a look at all the cool things that this product does. Helps with hydration, it has trace minerals, it helps with that, and there's no sugar in it. So let's open up the package and see what's inside here. That is what you get when you open up the package. Here is one of the pre-measured packets that you get. These ones here, they say to add to water somewhere between 10 and 16 ounces. I like to push myself to drink a lot of water, so I usually add one of these to one of my trusty Nalgene water bottles and give it a good shake, and then I have something really delicious to drink. Now, if you open up the lid this way, there's actually a little perforation here, and you can sit it like this in your cupboard so that you know exactly what flavor it is in case you have more than one box. I intend to try all the flavors. Let's pop this in my water bottle and we'll give it a try. Let's put it in our Nalgene bottle. It also comes with an easy tear packet, which makes it easy to open up and toss in like that. The bottle I have here is about double the amount of water that they ask you to put it in, but I like to push myself to drink a lot of water, so I'm gonna put it in and shake it up, and we'll see how well it dissolves in the water. Okay, so I can still see some stuff in there, but that's why I put the ice cubes in, because I find that with a couple good shakes, they help to physically agitate it and it dissolves pretty well. Each one of these servings has 6 different electrolytes in it, and it also is based on coconut water, which has all kinds of really awesome stuff in it for you as well. Now, what I like about the idea of this product is that it's hydration on the go, so I can actually keep one of these in my purse, and I always have an electrolyte solution for myself if I'm feeling kind of draggy. And the convenience of having it in this little package, I mean, it'll fit in my wallet if I wanted it to. I think this might become an essential in my beach bag for those days you go to the beach, lay out in the sun, and then all of a sudden are feeling like you just need something extra. This is going to be my extra. Now let's give this a try and see how it tastes. This coconut water based electrolyte mix from Sports Research. It's really good. You can definitely taste the flavors really well. I can taste it like right here. You know when I taste it right there and it makes your mouth water? It's really good. Yep, I'm definitely gonna add this one on repeat. I really like this. It's quite delicious. I can taste an underlying presence of coconut, which I like, and then I definitely pick up the cherry and the pomegranate flavors. I love the convenience of these little packages. I love that there's a lot of different flavors, which I'm gonna try, by the way. And I love that there's no sugar in this. That's another bonus. It's convenient hydration. You can keep in your gym bag, in your purse, ready when you need it. It tastes really good, dissolves in water super easy. I think this one's gonna be a family favorite at my house.